Hi Vogue, it's Sadie Bass. I've just come off a shoot and hi Vogue, welcome to my ratty bathroom. If you can hear an extractor fan really loud, it's because we have a damp problem in this ratty little South London flat. Today I'm going to be showing you my lovely skincare routine, showing you how to be that girl, showing you how to sort your life out. To be fair, I probably should have waited for a day when my skin looked better. It has got a lot better, because I don't know if you remember a lot of my videos in the summer, like Maskne, it had me by the throat. I've never done a skincare video, so I thought, why not? Let's go. Okay, let's go. I swear to God, I always wake up with so much sleep in my eye. Like, it's actually like sometimes they're like shut. They're like, can barely open them, just crusted in. Like, honestly, I'm actually the crustiest human. Just a disclaimer, this is the routine I do when I can be bothered. If I'm in a rush, not gonna lie, it might just be a moisturised situation. But for the sake of this, to show you my little faves, Vogue, because I know Vogue's so interested in Sadie Bass's routine, I'm gonna do the full works. It's a really cute headband. I haven't even opened it. That's how aesthetic my lifestyle is. Yes, I did see Madison Beer use one in her video, so I'm gonna buy one. I literally look like Whitney from EastEnders. I look like Bianca. LFI, you're not flipping vibing. The cleanser we're gonna use is the ye old faithful, ye old trusty little Cerave. I've got the hydrating one. This just honestly, I would say, is the main thing that sorted my skin out. They're also quite affordable, you know. Really good for sensitive skin. I feel that's what's helped me a lot, not having like fragrance and things like that. It's got ceramides, protects the barrier, and it has hyaluronic acid. So you just want to wet the face first. This is such an unflattering angle. So just literally pat a bit over. And we're gonna do one little squirt like that. It's a lot easier when you have no makeup on. And we're just gonna rub in like circular motions. Apparently you're meant to put your cleanser on for like a minute, because it takes about a minute to break down all the dirt. No, it takes about a minute to get the makeup off, or the top layer off your dermis. Is that what it is? Is it called a dermis, your skin? And then after a minute it starts to actually clear out your pores. But yeah, I just sort of gently do it. It feels so nice. I love it. Cerave is definitely up there with my favourite cleansers ever. To be honest, like, cleansing for me is a relatively, not a new thing, but I didn't used to do it as a teenager. Like, if I'm honest, why I'm so into skincare now is like, I didn't have a lot of money growing up. Honestly, yeah, it's so sad. I didn't have a full skincare routine. It's really, I know you're all shedding a tear for me. And then I just got one of these cloths from Cult Bleak Beauty. They're really nice. One side's like more of a muslin cloth, and the other's more like a flannel. Then just gently. But yeah, like, my mum, to me, she was just, she's such a like low maintenance kind of gal. Like, she was just like, I think I always had moisturizer growing up, but I never had like this skincare routine. I always used to read about it in magazines, like girls who like, you know, when it was like cleanse, tone, moisturize, and I was like, wow, what is that? I was so lucky, considering I barely washed like my face properly when I was a teenager. I didn't have acne or anything. Now as I'm older, I definitely need to take a lot more care. Oh, my earring just fell out. I've got an iced coffee, even though I'm literally going for a coffee today. I'm gonna be pooping later. This is where I put my eczema cream on. Very glamorous. Can you see my eyes? I get quite bad eye eczema, so this has been honestly saved my life. Dipper base. So my mum has a lot of skin issues too. I think it must just run the family. Like, sometimes it's hereditary, isn't it? And she had this over Christmas, so I decided to buy myself one. And honestly, it's the only thing that like soothes my eyes. It doesn't have steroids in, because you want to be careful using like steroid creams near your eyes. But I tried so many. Like, I tried like E45, did nothing for me. This one does so much. I'm not gonna lie, like, again, play the world's smallest violin. It does get me down sometimes, especially when I see everyone creating these really cool like euphoria looks, and I can't. Eyeshadow is the one thing you get to play with a lot, and it's just annoying when I can't do that, you know? There really are worse problems in the world, hun, so don't feel bad for me. This, okay, this is my favorite skincare routine I've ever had. Like, you know when you feel like you've got your shit down, like, I don't think I'm changing anytime soon. This little thing, Origin's Ginzing Into the Glow, I've only got a mini one, brightening serum. when, you know when like you stop using something and then you remember why it did the most? Put it on before moisturizer, just like pat it over. I don't know what it is, it just makes my skin look so fresh, so nice, and I don't know, all this stuff together that I've been using seems to keep my chin spots at bay. I get a lot of spots around here, whether they're hormonal, whether it's because I eat McDonald's all the time. I couldn't tell you, love, because my lifestyle isn't the best for my skin. I know it isn't. When I do this routine, since New Year's I've done this routine, and like my skin has never looked better, and that is genuinely like, it's not an ad. It's not an ad. None of this is an ad. Like, none of this was gifted, I don't think. So it's just stuff I like. That's what I like. That's what I like. So that is like a must, that I do that every day. And then another baldy stunning beauty is the It Cosmetics Kit Confidence in a Cream. And actually no, that's a lie, I did get sent this one actually. Why was I desperate for a moisturizer? I think I ran out and I was in isolation, so I couldn't go anywhere to get it, and I was like, surely like in the archives of my bedroom I must have a moisturizer in a box that I've been sent, like surely, right? So I'm like scrambling around, I find this and I'm like, meh, like honestly not that intrigued by it. It's quite a heavy thing. It's an anti-aging armor for all skin types, transforming moisturizing super cream. Not just a cream, it's a fucking super cream. And I was like, okay, well, this will just have to do, yeah. Used it, and I was like, damn, this feels good. Like, this is what it looks like. And it is hefty, you get a lot in one pot. And it just feels like, like a barrier of cloud melting onto your skin. It feels soothing, and it genuinely, like what it says on the tin, confidence in a cream. My skin has never looked better since I wore this. I don't know, it's topped all the other moisturizers I've ever used. I don't know, but it's magic, it's magic. That is the morning, the AM skincare. Please come back. Why am I saying come back later? I'll be here in a minute. It feels so good. I enjoy doing skincare every morning because of all these products. Then makeup just glides on and I just feel like I just look 10 out of 10. It's fabulous, I love it. I'll be back later to do my what I do taking it off, okay? Okay. Did this look like a Vogue video? It didn't, did it? It didn't, whatever. It's the PM now, woo! And if you think that I might have been drinking, well I have. What are you gonna do, shoot me? Right, from AM to PM, somebody hit the lights so we can rock it day and night, from AM to PM. Honestly, that used to be my Sing Star song, so I was actually really trying to sing then. Lovely headband back on, and this is based, ow. I think I bought these Primark earrings the other day and I feel like my ears are infected because of it. So we're gonna do my nighttime routine. I'm not gonna lie, when I'm usually tipsy I don't do this, but I thought all my housemates are out, so it's the perfect time to come in the toilet and chat shit without any judgment, because sometimes, you know, they humble me on a daily basis. They don't need to hear me chatting to the camera. Right, so to get the initial, I've got a lot of makeup on today, which is good because it shows like my actual like getting it all off routine. Obviously, like I'm not gonna lie, I've used this for like nearly 10 years. Ever since it came out and it just took the nation by storm. Garnier Micellar water. It's just, it does the job. So I like to initially get everything off with a pad and the micellar water. I just like to feel like it's better than, you know, wipes. Sometimes wipes can be super harsh. I don't actually buy them anymore because I know if I don't buy them I won't be tempted to use them. The idea is it's meant to like draw the dirt out of your pores and skin, but I really don't feel like it gets enough of my makeup off. Obviously, like if I've been drinking, I'm not gonna lie and say I'm an angel. I'm no angel with skincare, so I do usually use these if I'm in a hurry, if I'm lazy, and I do just feel, yeah, it's better than wipes. It does the job. Don't you think like eye makeup without any face makeup looks so weird? Look at me now. That's just weird. Like you need all the makeup to complete it. I probably should be more gentle. I feel like the way I'm so rough and I always worry like I'm gonna get like wrinkles when I'm older because of it. I literally wear so much mascara, so I'd say that's the hardest part, but I like to like hold the pad on and you can see it just really starts to come off. Also, I'm literally seasoning chicken for the first time. Well, like not for the first time. Obviously when I have fajitas I use the little seasoning mix, but like I don't really know how to season food. Like I'm a very bad cook. A lot of you know that already. So yeah, I've like tried to put all these spices on my chicken. I'm roasting it. Probably not the best idea when I'm like kind of tipsy, but hopefully I don't burn the house down. Also, I completely forgot to mention earlier, sorry Vogue, I'm so bad at this. I have started, like I'm very apprehensive to add new things into my routine because things like trigger my skin really quickly. But I did use this earlier. It's the Bondi Sands Face SPF 50 high protection UVA UVB. It doesn't clog my pores. Its makeup looks good over it. It's very nice and lightweight, so really recommend that, especially for summer. I mean, I try to wear it when I'm going outside, even in the winter. I mean, even if you're in an office with windows, it comes through, but apparently that's what the first signs of aging is, because of UV. So I do try and use a skin protect. Now the majority is off with my Micellar water. I'm looking back to my garbage rat state. We're back to the Cerave. I will literally show you on my flannel how much is still left. So like, Micellar water gets makeup off your skin, whereas this will clean your skin. So that's why people say double cleanse, double cleanse. So really go round, not too rough. Like, you know when boys are like, I don't get how, because like even doing this irritates my face. So I want to go really lightly. Get your cloth from Cult Beauty. Get all that cleanser off. And yeah, you can literally see it's still so grubby. So it just shows like micellar water really doesn't get everything out of your skin. It's very important to double cleanse. That is definitely where my skin started getting better, when I double cleansed. Okay, I need to go check on my potatoes because like I'm so excited for this roast. What a mini roast. That chicken is coming along very, very nicely. Ooh. I'm not going to do my face mask tonight, but I'm going to show you the one I use because I literally am obsessed. Glamglow Super Mud, especially if you have oily, blemish prone skin. It literally looks like, I mean, I really got through it, but like a grey sort of clay thing. It's like a mud, it's like a charcoal mud. I only put it, you need a little bit, I only put it where I get spots, which is usually my chin. I've got quite sensitive skin, so I don't use it loads, maybe like every 2 weeks if I have like a breakout, but it really does clear it up, so I do swear by this. I'm not gonna use it today, like I said, my skin's not too bad at the moment, but when it is, it really helps. You can also just put it on a spot, almost like a little spot treatment. Glamglow, they're my bitches, I love them. All these steps I don't always do every day because it would just be too much. Sometimes you don't want to overcomplicate it, but then I have maybe every 3 days I use this, 3 or 4 days, maybe twice a week, yeah. The Ren Clean Skincare Ready Steady Glow Daily AHA Tonic is really good for exfoliating and like renewing the skin's barrier, you know, kind of gives like almost like a peel effect. I really enjoy doing this as well. But it can be a lot because it basically like kind of, yeah, takes the top layer off of your skin to reveal brighter skin underneath. So it gets rid of all the like nasty dead skin. So if you use this, like the next day you're gonna have to use a lot of like sun cream because it's like fresh skin basically. But it is really good for keeping it like clear. But it is quite a strong product. I wouldn't use it all the time, do you know what I mean? You can still see after all those cleansers, it's still like kind of dirt on this, which is absolutely crazy, but it feels very clearing, refreshing. Final few steps. I got this recently, the Elemis Pro-Collagen Renewal Serum, a retinol alternative. Because I heard retinol is not great for your skin. I enjoy doing this. Oh, I feel so bougie doing this drop up. Also, Elemis is like a bougie brand. I got it gifted, so I don't know. I mean, so far it's very good. Science-led skincare. I drop 5 little droplets and I massage it mainly into the areas where I get wrinkles. Like, it's an anti-aging product. Obviously I'm 26 now, so I need to do this. It feels really nice though. Just massage it in. I feel like I'm definitely gonna get wrinkles around my mouth. I'm very expressive and like around my forehead because I'm expressive with my eyebrows. And yeah, hopefully it's preventative, and when I'm older I'll look like so young. Hopefully I'll still get ID'd. I literally got ID'd for a bloody energy drink the other day. You gotta be 16, so I mean I'm doing good so far. It makes your skin feel very tight and nice, but it's a good one. It says to do it morning and night. I only do it at night, but yeah, I have added anti-aging into my routine now. I am at that age, oh my god. Finally, the very last thing I do before I lay my little head down on a lovely pillow is the Chapman Skinesis Overnight Facial. It's like a night elixir. Genuinely, I've never had a facial, but it does feel like, I imagine what a facial would feel like. It's like an oil, I'll show you. I do like 2 pumps. 3 pumps because it's nearly running out because I literally am obsessed with it. I can't explain how good it makes your skin feel. It like feels so juicy and plump and like, oh, just a dream. And I just go to bed feeling like it smells amazing. It's like adds the hydration back in because a few like cleansing products kind of dry the skin, you know. It will look oily AF, but you know that it's doing good, you know. Sometimes it's kind of like slugging, that skincare sensation. But yeah, I'm so here for the Chapman. Like when it ran out, I bought a new one. When it ran out, I really noticed the difference. So yeah, huns, that is my skincare routine, day and night, AM to PM. I hope you enjoyed. I don't know if you've got any tips. Let me know what you think. I am obviously not condoning spending so much because this was a bit extensive. You don't need all these products to like have good skin, but maybe you could take a few little tips and tricks away and maybe get some ideas, inspo. But yeah, I feel like a good moisturizer, cleanser is probably enough. But if you want to be like me and really get into the nitty-gritty and you love skincare, then this is the kind of video for you. I hope you have the best week. I'm so excited for my roast chicken, and yeah, I love you. Thanks for watching.